this is Tuba Mirza and welcome to Recoding. In the last video, we have made server to handle form request. We created get method which renders our index.ejs file. And then we created post method which handles our post request from the form and bring it to the server. Now, in this video, we're gonna learn to add data inside the database. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to create a static folder. Inside it, we need to add style.css file. Now, inside our app.ts file, we need to pass a static folder as a middleware so that a browser knows style.css file or any other file inside the static folder. App.use, it's gonna be an async arrow function which requires context and next as parameters. Inside it, we're gonna use send function which is provided by awk module. So inside the import awk statement, we need to add send function. Inside send function, we need to pass the root directory which serves our static folder publicly. Now pass next statement. Now style.css, we need to copy our style which we made using our material form input video. Inside our index.ejs file, we also need to copy our form elements. Here, we need to link our style.css file. Now open the browser and see our form is working. Now, we need to add saving functionality to our form, so for this we need to import Mongo module from its link. Inside Mongo, we need Mongo client. After importing Mongo client, we need to initialize it as const client equal new Mongo client. Now, we need to connect our client to URL we are using, that is local Mongo database, while you can use online database and pass the URL inside this. After that, we need to create a database as constdb equals client.database and inside it type the name of the database. After it, we need to create collection. Now, inside a post method, we need to add our data as const data saved equals data collection dot insert one parse. Now let's start our server. Here, you might get an error as we need to pass allow plugin and unstable tag. So now start our server and check the browser. So let's type our email and pass. Oh, hold on a second. Here we forgot to add button inside our form. So inside our index.ejs, we are going to add a button. As input tag, which is gonna type submit. Now let's type email and pass and press submit. Now here our email data has been passed inside our browser. Now let's check our database. So here you can see data has been appeared. So this is how we can make registration form inside Deno. You can add as many fields as you want and try it yourself. So hope you liked this video and learned something. Do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. So for now, I am signing off. We'll see you in the next video.